Hi, good morning. Welcome to EDTL 503. This is the spring of 14. I'm Dr. Vavasor. I wanted to give you a little video to start you off in the course and tell you a little bit about what's going to happen over the next 8 weeks. So first, welcome. If I haven't met you, I look forward to meeting you someday. Some of you I met at LaQ that I have taught before, but I never had met you face to face. That was really nice. I'm Dr. Vavasor. These are my three beautiful children, Christian, Avery, and Gabriel. I am a very young professor. I like to say I'm still young, with young kiddos, and I also live in Baton Rouge. So the whole online program is very nice for me because I try to only come into Thibodeau on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. So a little bit more about the course. This video is called a Snagit video. You will have one of these videos to introduce each one of your modules. The reason I do this is because I feel that since we don't have the direct face-to-face contact, sometimes I think I'm explaining myself in paper documents, but sometimes I explain myself better when I talk to you. So that's why I do these. The course EDTL 503 is a module-based course on Moodle. Hopefully you have used Moodle before. If not, give me a call and I'll try to introduce you to it a little bit. And so it's a module-based course, and as you can see, I already have the 5 modules and the final project up. Now, don't start going too far ahead if you are watching this today, which is January 14th, because school doesn't start until the 22nd, and I may make some changes on it. So this is just kind of like a skeleton of it. Okay, so one important thing that I wanted to tell you is that this is an 8-week course instead of a 15-week course. So you will be completely finished with this course in mid-March. What that means is you're going to be doing more per week in order to get done in that 8-week time period. Most of you are Nichols Online students, so you are used to this. Those 3 of you that are not, if you need assistance or need further time, just give me a call and I will try to work with you. Okay, we will have an Adobe Connect mandatory meeting on Thursday, January 23rd at 4:45. Honestly, I hope we're not on there for more than 15 minutes, but I want to hear if you have questions or concerns or problems. And if you've never used Adobe Connect before, all you do is go to this website right here, and it'll say enter as a guest. You put in your name and you'll be able to see me. You'll be able to see my computer screen, and there will be a chat box where you can ask me questions. Notice that this URL does not have a www on it, and that's how you get there. Okay, so the next is the textbook. I don't use textbooks a whole lot, but decided to this time. It's actually an ebook, and I try to keep prices down for you guys. So if you get it paper-based, it is $35, but if you get it as an ebook, it's $12.95. I'm a poor teacher also, so I'm trying to help with that. So what this is the Technology Coordinator's Handbook. It's the 2nd edition. It is updated from the 1st edition, so please try to get the 2nd. You don't have to have a Kindle to use an ebook. I have an iPad, and I have the free Kindle app on my iPad that allows me to read Kindle books. If you don't have a handheld device, you can download the Kindle app on your PC or Mac desktop, and you can read the book from there. If you do prefer a paper version, go ahead and order the paper version, but please order it soon, as shipping with an 8-week course sometimes gets to be problematic. Okay, so that's the book. Let's look at the syllabus. I'm absolutely not going to read it to you guys, but I just want to point out a few things. Let me get it so you can read it here. Zoom in. Okay, so this is me. I'm Dr. V. This is my office number, is 448-4334. My email address is cynthia.vavasor@nichols.edu. I also give out my cell phone number. Many of you cohort people already have it, but I am going to type it right here. and give you a minute to write it down. I don't keep it on the syllabus because I only give it out to grad students and undergrad advisees. So I ask you not to share it. But if you need me, I'm pretty good with returning text messages. If you've never texted me before, I ask that you put your name on your first text to me and maybe what class you're in or what cohort you're in, and so I can save your contact information. Okay, if you've got it, I will be erasing that now. I don't leave it on my syllabus. Okay, so what do you need? You need a good computer. You don't need a computer from 1997, so you need access to a good computer. You need access to a webcam. That doesn't mean you have to buy one. If you don't have one, as long as you have access to one to make your couple of recordings that I will require, that's fine. If you are in the cohort and this is one of your first classes with me, we will be using a webcam for every class, so if you do decide to buy one and need recommendations, let me know. I'm not going to read all this to you. You may read it. I'm going down here to what will we actually be doing. Okay, and I'm going to go back to Moodle to talk about what we're actually going to be doing. This is not, most of you took 501 with me this summer. This is not a fun course like 501. I apologize. Just the content is not nearly as fun as I call 501 my toy class, because we just learn all new free toys to use in the classroom. This is more of a nitty-gritty technical class. So I do, try to make you laugh with some things, terms, definitions, and other yucky stuff. But in this course, we do learn about the insides of a computer and the insides of networking, basically the internet around your school, how it works, if it's adequate or not, and things like that. So what you're going to be doing in the 5 modules that we go through is evaluating your school's infrastructure. What do you have and is it working for your school? So what the final project is to write your administrator a document explaining everything you have learned about your school and maybe give recommendations about what the principal can do to improve certain situations. So don't let the final project scare you, because all it is putting together the above 5 modules. Okay, let's see what else I need to talk to you about. The due dates will be up here on each module. I am going to have things due on Fridays. The reason is I used to have things due on Sundays, and a lot of students would wait until Saturday to even look at it, and then I was bombarded on Saturday and Sunday when I was with my family with questions. So hopefully having things due Friday, maybe we'll have you guys look at things a little bit earlier in the week. So Friday, let's say at midnight, everything will be due. I'll put up specific due dates for each module later. And I think that is it. We're going to have that mandatory Adobe Connect meeting on Thursday, January 23rd. If you have questions, you can email, text me, or you can just ask them to me then. If you are also in my EDTL 505 this semester, that course doesn't start until this one ends. So that is one very good thing about the 8-week sessions that Nichols Online has, is we're only concentrating on one course at a time, which the content of the 2 courses is very, very different. So that's why I like getting one over with and then starting the other. So anyway, you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to working with each of you this semester. Bye.